Hey y'all, let's make some pinto beans, honey. We in the South. Hi, this is Argisanette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, I am about to make some beans. I want some beans. So I thought I'd turn the camera on and show you how I make my pot of beans. Every week I do a pot of greens or beans, but I'm still gonna do my greens, but I'm doing a pot of beans this week. So I got some, let's see, I have pinto beans. They came right out of the bag. It only cost me $1, and I soaked them overnight so they swole up. You need to soak them. They're too hard at first. And I'm gonna put turkey, and I'm gonna put some of this Cajun style smoked sausage in them. I don't have any chicken broth today, so I'm gonna use beef broth as my liquid instead of water. I'm just gonna have some garlic, crushed black pepper, my favorite Rotel secret ingredient that I put in everything, and I'm gonna use some beef broth base and seasoning for the sodium and the flavor. Okay, so this is like super easy, simple. There's no reason that you don't have a pot of beans on for your family. I'm going to just put, I soaked them and then I rinsed them off. I'm going to put them in. I'm going to open my beef broth. Oh my goodness, I'm hurt. Okay, so I cut my finger earlier and I didn't think it was a big deal, but it was. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the beef broth in. I'm gonna have a good flavor. I like garlic. Then I'm gonna put, okay, so I'm gonna take this can of Rotel and put this can in. And if you get different types of Rotel, you get different types of flavor. Then I'm gonna take this beef broth base and seasoning and put that in here. I'm not good at measuring anything. I'm gonna put some ground black pepper, and I'm gonna cut this sausage up and put in there as well. Okay, so I cut my sausages up with my utility scissors because it's so much easier. It's just quick and easy. There's no reason not to get, I cut my finger, so I have my plastic gloves on because I don't have time to deal with my cut finger right now. All right, so I threw it all in here. I'm gonna put it on high. I put the lid on. It'll stay in there for like 8 hours. Tonight is gonna be amazing. It's gonna be everything. It's gonna take everything out of me not to make cornbread, because I am not trying to be that thick. Okay, these beans came out perfect. This was the bomb, the right amount of thickness and everything. Okay, so it's straight up 12 hours later. And look at this. This looks amazing. The turkey is falling all off of the bone. That smoked sausage. Oh, this looks so good. These pinto beans is right, y'all. This is a pot of beans. So you throw one of these on in the morning, baby, you're gonna be ready for dinner and the next day. Voila. Okay, so these are delicious, but let me tell you, put this over some rice. If you don't make you a good pot of rice and butter that rice up and put these beans on top of it, baby, I'm telling you, I know something. And then you could plate it and just eat it like it is with some crusty bread or some crackers. Honey, beans are the new Southern caviar. Ooh, like, subscribe, and share. Let's make it happen.